What's up everybody, welcome back to Low Luxury, the channel where I show you what authentic luxury clothing and streetwear looks like. And today's video, it's definitely related to that. It's like a streetwear vibes kind of thing, but it's more of a decoration, houseware. I don't even know what to say, but I think it fits into what we do here because this, oh, it's huge. It's even bigger than I was ready for, is a massive Takashi Murakami pillow. KaiKai KiKi, I think is the company name that he does. And the way I got this, so the App Network actually launched a collaborative shop with KaiKai KiKi. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. So finally this stuff is much more readily available here in the US where I live. So I was finally able to get my hands on one of these amazing pieces, and I thought I'd break it down with you guys today because this thing is sick. Let's do it. Yo, before we get too much further, subscribe to the channel. I make tons of luxury and streetwear content. And also, if you're looking for deals on luxury and streetwear, check the description. I've got some of the best sites with all authentic stuff. Check it out. Oh, I love it. It's so sick. All right, let's start with whatever we've got in the bag here. It's just like your typical kind of crunchy plastic bag. We do have a sticker here. And this one, as you can see, it's really front and center, kind of like right on the face. Just a simple white sticker with rounded edges here. We've got a model number up top, FLW, I'm guessing for flower, E58, so that's this colorway. This is kind of like the black face here. Not black face, I don't mean it like that, you guys, calm down. Okay, and under that, TM/KK, that's kind of what's on all the pieces. Flower cushion, 60 centimeters, nice and big, rainbow and black, so that's the colorway there. And then a barcode and a bit of space at the bottom. So a very simple retail sticker here. One really nice touch I like to this is they tossed a nice little sticker on there for me. These two little guys, very kind of famous guys in Murakami's oeuvre. I don't know, it's nice. I love little personal touches like that. And there's no stickers or anything on the back of this, so I think it's time to open it up. All right, so it's just taped down. Ooh, I love when something opens nice and easy. Okay. Ooh, it's so soft. So this is the back of it, kind of closed face, and then on the front you've got open smiley face. I prefer this guy. I love a nice happy face, you know? So we do get some retail tags that come with this, which are always great to look at, because this piece, super easy to fake. I'm sure there are tons of fakes out there, so you gotta know what you're looking at, and tags are a great way to do that. So this first one is a white circle with a little kind of nub at the top for the plastic, and in rainbow, you've got flower cushion. Each letter is a different color. Pay attention to those colors as well. Right in the middle, you have that classic Murakami flower face there, big smile. And down at the bottom, KaiKai KiKi Co. Ltd, again, multicolored. The back of this has a lot of info. Up top, big and bold, some Japanese. Size over there, slightly smaller. Colorway, rainbow X black. A lot of this, again, in Japanese. Not too much info, but definitely check this against yours. Make sure all that info matches. And at the bottom, you got some copyright information and all caps, made in China. So these are made in China. That's fine. Don't worry if you see that. And we have another tag here. So one side is like a glossier white. It's all in Japanese. I'm guessing this is like care, warning, info. Back is all Japanese as well. But again, I'm just gonna hold on this for a few seconds so you can compare it against your own, the colors, the sizes of things, the characters. I don't know if you wanna get that deep into it, but there you go. And these are attached with this little clear piece of plastic too. Some care tags actually, so let's take a look at those now. So this is like a glossy polyester tag, and in bold going across the bottom, you have KaiKai KiKi Co. Ltd. It always feels so funny saying that. KaiKai KiKi Co. And this is just like a looped over tag, so on the other side of the loop, it says copyright Takashi Murakami, again KaiKai KiKi Co., and all caps made in China. Underneath that is another tag in just like a white polyester, not like as glossy as the one below it, and that has the CE, all new materials, and then maybe that's the manufacturer or something in London. Interesting, but definitely check that against your own. And now we get to the fun part. We get to take a look at the pillow itself. Oh, I love this thing. I just love, it's so fuzzy, so soft, so comfy. Take a look at the kind of separation between colors. It's really, really clean. These eyes are embroidered in there. Take a look at the quality of that, how like careful and tight the stitching is going around the eyes, the shape of the eyes, all that stuff is also important. Each kind of petal is sewn together for most of it, and then they separate kind of where they start curving there, as you can see. And the stitches, they're like totally invisible. There's no visible stitching here. So if you can see stitches, if there's any wonky stitches, that's definitely something to look out for. And on the back of this, you've got the closed face. And again, this is embroidered in. So this one's blue with a few lashes coming down. Again, take a look at the quality of that embroidery. There's nothing wonky about it. This one is in pink, and the mouth is green. A nice little curve to that mouth right there. And for sure, this piece, so we've done Kaz before. I keep him on my wall there. He's in the background of all my photos. So this pillow for sure is gonna go in my backdrop over here. I haven't decided if I wanna hang him or something, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below where I should put him. For now, maybe he can sit right there on top of some shoes. Not the perfect place, but hey, you know, he can hang out there for now. But you guys, you gotta let me know where to put him. I want him in the background of all my videos. He's hanging out up here with his Kaz companion. I love it. So that is what a real Takashi Murakami pillow looks like. Take a look at the other video on screen here, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time.